Yes, in case 4, if double block sibling is red, if double block node sibling is red, then swap the colors of parent and sibling nodes of DB, sibling nodes of DB. Then and also move parent towards DB direction. So in previous case we are already discussing if DB node sibling is blocked, then what we are doing. In this case, if DB node sibling is red, then swap the colors of parent and sibling nodes of DB, move parent towards DB direction, move parents towards DB direction, right? So here I am taking one example. 50, 30, 70, 20, 35, 60, 80, 75, 85. This is black. This is red. This is black. This is black. This is black. 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 This is also a red black tree. Nil, 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 nil. So this is also a red black tree. It satisfies all the properties. It satisfies all the properties of red black tree. It satisfies all the properties of red black tree. So here I want to delete 60. So after deleting 60, this node becomes double block node. Why? Because it can be replaced by its nil children. So deleted node color is also black. Its nil children color is also black, so that's why this node becomes DB, right? So if double block node is red, if double block node sibling is red, what we are doing? Swap the color of parent and sibling. So colors, we can apply swapping procedure in between parent and sibling colors, right? So then parent move towards DB direction. Then we can reapply the same cases, reapply same cases until DB is removed, until DB is removed, right? So here this is our tree. So in this I want to delete 60. After deleting 60, this node becomes double block node. So now tree becomes like this: 50, 30, 70, 20, 35, 60. So here I am deleting 60. This node also a black node and its children is a nil node. So this is double block node. 80, 75, 85. So this is red. This is red. The remaining are black. This is double block node. Remember that one. So if double block sibling is red, then swap the colors of parent and sibling. Now this becomes red, this becomes black, right? So now tree becomes like this. 50, 30, 70, 20, 35, dB, 80, 75, 85. Now sibling color becomes black, parent becomes red. So this is the first step. So this is the DB, double block, right? So here first step is completed. Then move parent towards DB direction. Move parent towards DB direction. So this is parent. Parent move towards DB direction. So 70 is move towards DB direction. Now tree becomes like this. 50, 30, 20, 35, 70. So after moving 70 towards DB, 80 is upward. So 80, 70. Then this is DB. DB. So 80 contains 85. So 75 is placed at this one. So according to BST property, so 75 is placed at right of 70, right? So 70 becomes red. This is DB, black, black, right? So again still DB problem is there, right? So reapply same cases until DB is removed. So reapply same cases until DB is removed, right? Now check double block sibling. So double block sibling color is black and its children's color also black. So this is the third case, right? So double block black. So here children's are also black. So in this case remove DB, added to the parent. So if the parent is red, it becomes black. Again its sibling becomes red, right? So now tree becomes like this. So this is the third possible case, right? So reapply all the previous cases until DB is removed, right? So here once we can apply case 3, DB sibling is black, remove DB, added to the parent. If parent is red, it becomes black. By defaultly sibling becomes red, right? So here tree becomes like this: 50, 30, 80, 20, 35, 70, 85, 75. This becomes normal nil node, right? So double block sibling color becomes red. Now this becomes red. Parent is red, it becomes black. Black, 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 black. Now we are whether the newly generated tree is red black tree or not, right? So here root node is black node, so that property is satisfied, right? So here there is no two adjacent red nodes, that property is also satisfied, right? So nil nodes are labeled as black, so that property is also satisfied, right? So every path from root node to nil node contains same number of black nodes, right? So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So that property is also satisfied, right? So here after deleting 60, the newly generated tree also satisfies all the properties of red black, right? So simply, if DB sibling is black, what we are doing, that can be discussed in case 2 as well as case 3. If DB sibling is red, then what we are doing? So simply, if DB sibling is red, swap the colors of parent and sibling, then move parent towards DB direction. So reapply all the previous cases until DB is removed, right? Now this is about fourth case.